I'm so pleased with the results. I'm gonna show you how I use Pro-Vitamin Essence hair repair system on my wet hair. It's recently towel dried, and this beautiful bottle, golden bottle that it comes in, has the magic sauce. It is so great when it's used on wet hair. You can use it all over. It is very lightweight, so use it at the roots. Don't hesitate to use it at the roots. Towel dried hair, and I'm gonna comb it through and style my hair as usual and show you the great results. It smells wonderful. It's like a fresh spring floral scent. It's really, really nice, like a high-grade perfume fragrance. Now watch and see what it looks like when you style it. It feels very healthy. Pantene's Pro-Vitamin Essence has helped give that restorative look to my hair. It is infused with vitamin B5, which restores your hair at the protein level, repairing the bonds. Hair is damaged every day, and this helps repair split ends and anti-frizz from the root to the tip, and it feels and looks so healthy after just one use. I used it from wet to dry today, and I love the way it was sprayed generously and leave it in, and my hair looks terrific. I feel very healthy and good about using Pantene Pro-Vitamin Essence on my hair as part of my daily routine.